Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's continue learning CapCut together in this beginner series. So, if you've been following along, you already know how to cut clips, add text, and even spice things up with music. But what if your video looks too choppy when moving from one clip to another? That's where transitions come in. Today, I'll show you how to add smooth transitions that make your video flow like a pro. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share so more people can learn CapCut the easy way. Alright, let's get started. First, here's what we're working with. 2 separate clips that need a transition in between them. Here's what we want: a smooth flow from one clip to the next. No choppiness, and that's what a transition does. Now let's go into CapCut and see how it's done. Step 1. What are transitions? A transition is the effect that happens when one clip changes to another. Without transitions, your video might look sudden or sharp. With transitions, it feels smooth and natural. Step 2. Adding a basic transition. Okay, let's try a simple fade transition. Drag 2 clips next to each other. Then click the little white box between them. This opens CapCut's transition menu. Now pick a transition. For beginners, I recommend starting with fade or dissolve because they are clean and professional. Step 3. Adjusting duration. You can adjust how long the transition lasts. A short transition feels snappy while a longer one feels gentle. To adjust, use the duration slider at the bottom. Step 4. Using transitions for different situations. Here are some practical uses. Fade, best for tutorials and educational videos. Flash, works well for vlogs or exciting moments. Zoom, fun for creative or social media content. The key is to match the transition to your content style. Step 5. Applying transitions to multiple clips. If you want the same transition between all your clips, CapCut lets you apply it to all at once. This keeps your video consistent. Step 6. Avoid overusing transitions. One important tip: don't overuse transitions. Too many flashy effects can make your video distracting. Stick with simple and consistent styles for a professional look. And that's how you add smooth transitions in CapCut. With just a few clicks, your videos will go from basic to polished. In the next tutorial, we'll learn how to apply filters and effects to enhance the mood of your videos. You don't want to miss it, so make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video to support the channel. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please drop your questions and comments down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.